There will never be another you. Ancient dark clay, y'all.
What's up, everybody? So you know it is Monday. This is Monday DIY day, and today I wanted to come in and I was kind of bored, and I'm like, so what should I do? What should I do? And I decided to finish my wall collage. So today we're doing a wall collage. So if you find this video to be interesting and informative, please like, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe, and let's go. So this is actually my first time doing a wall collage, but I believe I have taken some really good pictures. I have taken pictures from Cuba, New York, I missed one from Haiti, and also Gambia, and I'm gonna be all putting them on my wall. Just go through and show you some of the frames that I have purchased from Walmart. So these are actually pop-out frames, so you can take out the glass instead of have to, flip it to the back. These are, I'm just getting on to this. If y'all already knew that, like, y'all, these are great. And I actually printed out my pictures at Walgreens. Walgreens doing the sale on posters. It was like half off. So I got about 7 to 8 pictures for only $50, and people spend $50 or more on other people's art. Like, I think I then took some really good pictures, so let me just print out my own for $50 and put them on my wall. So let's get to it. So you may not only want just frames on your wall, you may want a shelf. You may want, I got these little metal pieces from Walmart for about, I believe, 50 cents. And I got the shelf from Goodwill. So this is just to spice up the look. So what else you may need is some painter's tape. So to outline your pictures, some people use actual paper and they cut it out to fit the frame, but I have some big frames, so I wasn't gonna do all that, but I have painter's tape, which I'm gonna outline the frame. So you may need a second hand for this, but I just measured the dimensions of the frame and I taped it to the wall to see how each frame will look, and as well as that, I may have taped some pictures, as you can see, to see how it will look in that square. But I'm pretty excited about this, and I'm gonna show you the finished look. Well, guys, I am finally done, and let me tell you, like, I am so satisfied and happy with my results. Like, okay, I was talking too much, but these pictures mean so much to me, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.